Debate.
But for you to
Teach him, Mansoor. Teach
the
him.
reason why I stopped speaking to people who are ignorant and not knowledgeable, and let me show you how I establish people who are knowledgeable.
Mansoor, show him
So the question I use is this. The question I use.
How many
If
would
they
like?
are able to answer this question, then at least I know that they're on the right
I am
page.
here.
Now,
Turn around, here.
the question
90
is,
degrees.
They won't give you a visa, you know. They won't give you visa. I promise.
debate.
They won't give you visa. You don't have to do this.
brother,
Not from you, not
question
from you.
I'm
Clearly,
asking
you
is
don't
this.
have.
Move on,
No, come here.
because
Stay
he's
focused.
a bad guy.
Stay focused. Debate.
Anyone who wants to
4, 5, 6,
talk
7, 8,
to
9, 10.
Muslims,
How many?
they have to establish that
28,
they know
28, 21.
that they know something which is the basic.
The
So
nature
now,
of God.
so when I ask them, this is the question I ask them. This is the filter. The answer is what we're going to ask and get from them, right?
Lovely. I am here,
I'm
please.
not speaking to you.
Nature of God in
So,
Islam.
if we ask them, what is one God?
At least be polite.
Let's go, brother. What is one
No,
God?
don't. BP, low, please.
What is one God plus one God plus one God, right? This is a question. The potential answers are 3,
Shaking. You're
One.
already shaking. Don't shake.
potential
Stay
answers.
quiet.
Look,
Mansoor can speak. Are you
answer
Mansoor's
to the
bodyguard?
question that I'm asking.
Mental bodyguard.
Brother, please.
Aki, stay quiet. Aki, stay quiet. Stay quiet.
Right. So the question, this is a filtering question. Whether a Christian is sincere and knowledgeable or not. So the question I'm asking is this. I'm not giving you my time. Get away.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay?
I'm
I'll speak to you.
I'm here.
So the filtering question is this.
I'm here.
What is
Look, I'm here.
what is one God plus one God plus one God?
Look, he was too scared.
Potential answers
Now
are
it's 180 degrees.
it's 3, it's 1, I don't know,
Not 90
who cares? So now
I'm here.
he says he's here. So now you've heard my question, right? Yes. I need a volunteer who's going to repeat my question. What's my question? Okay, what's my question?
I just came.
Okay. My question, which is
I'm here.
filtering
Clearly,
people who are
I'm here.
sincere, knowledgeable or not.
So I'm here.
And I would like to repeat that question.
Mansoor would not do anything.
What is one God plus one God plus one God? Right? Do you want to ask that question? Go ahead.
At Speaker's Corner,
Go ahead.
why does
Go
Mansoor
ahead.
show up at Speaker's Corner?
No, he's gonna just make.
Look at the bodyguard here.
So go ahead. Ask the question. Ask me, come on.
No debate.
So you're gonna ask. Okay.
What is one God plus one
One God plus one God.
Right. Ask
But
him
the
that.
answer.
Ask him that.
Look,
Go
you
ahead.
Want me to ask him that?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I don't speak
Will
with
you
him.
answer this question?
Go ahead. Go
Is he the
ahead.
same
Ask him. Ask him.
chicken
Will you answer
Mansoor?
this question? If you can answer the
Is he the
question.
same chicken Mansoor?
Please,
I'm here.
answer the question.
Give me my.
Will you answer this one question?
Yeah, go ahead. Ask.
What's one God? Aki,
What's one God?
Mansoor,
Plus one God plus one God. I'm not
He's after you.
You're not
He's after
give me
you.
space, I'll answer.
You is who you
He's a
want.
beggar.
So give me space, I'll
Ask
answer.
him that question. Ask him.
Come here. Man, capture Mansoor. Look at him scared.
What's one God?
Come here.
So when you hear the answer, then call me back. So I will wait. I will wait until we find a knowledgeable and sincere Christian. What is the answer? Go on. I want to hear it. Go on.
What's one God plus one God? All right, it's got the answer. It's got
Which is what?
How much is it? How many God is that? How many God is that?
3 persons that
I gave potential answers, right?
That should not have 2
Three?
hands or 1 hand.
One. I don't know. Who cares?
I'm here. Don't worry.
So what was the answer? What was the answer?
I'm here. Here.
What was the answer?
If you turn around,
So
you've got
when he
space right now.
answers, let me know.
persons,
Then
three
I can
persons.
speak to people who are.
I'm here.
So what? Ask him that question again.
Done. Good.
persons that came
All right. My dear Muslim friends, we have a debate set up here.
Plus one God.
No.
What's the answer?
The nature of God. The nature. Look at it, run away.
Not worthy of our time. Not worthy of our time.
Again.
Not worthy of our time.
Away. Again.
This one
Look at
filter.
him. Run away.
You are not worthy of discussion because you do not know. If you add 3 words, how many numbers?
Millions, stay quiet.
No, why?
Millions, stay
Why?
quiet.
You are not. You are not able to have a discussion on debates. And you are begging for discussion, Brother Mansoor. You are not able to have a discussion with common.
Destroys their religious belief because they believe in a God which makes no sense. by answering that question, they will totally dismantle their belief. Yeah? Because if I were to ask you, what is one God plus one God plus one God? How many? 3. You can answer it quite easily. Why is an adult person, adult, he's probably finished his college or university, right? Why is he unable to answer that question? When you are still in school, right? Year 4. Year 4 can answer that question. But someone who's probably done university can't even answer that question. That shows you Christianity is not a religion of truth, because truth makes sense. And that's why we say people need to become Muslims, worshipping one God, not 3-1 or 3-in-1 or 3.
That's what you have to do. As Muslims, see what Mansoor. 125.5. Mansoor was the half.
When you ever want to speak to a Christian, say, I have a filtering question to make sure I can know someone who has basic knowledge. So ask him, what is one God plus one God plus one God?
Probably he didn't learn mathematics probably.
Ask him. Is he a coward to answer the question? Is he a coward?
He said, yeah, he is.
Look at my eyes.
Okay. Are you a coward?
I'm facing you. Look, now good. Now at least 10 seconds you've turned around. That's good.
So confused.
Can you just answer the straight question?
You can be here.
Where camera, please.
Mr. Arul, answer
No,
the
I'm
straight
here.
question.
Turn.
I want
Good.
to ask
Debate.
all the Christians.
Just answer the simple
I am
question
here.
he's asking. You said don't touch him, why touching him?
What is one
don't
God
touch
plus
him.
one God plus one God?
He touched me.
It's a simple question.
You're asking
And the
straight
potential answers are
Thank you. Not interested, sir. Thank you. I'm coming to you.
I don't know. Who cares? Now, I want to hear the answer. If somebody can answer a question,
I'm not touching. I am with Brother Mansoor. You are moving in my way.
No one can be with.
You cannot say that. No, you cannot say that. I am with Brother Mansoor and you are. No, I am not.
Why are you angry?
I am not angry. You are.
Why are the Muslims angry
answer.
every week? Look at him. Angry. Why?
Do you know the answer?
which is
One.
what's the answer?
3 divine persons.
What is the answer?
You got to expand on it.
What is the answer?
3 divine persons.
Debate. What is the answer?
Debate.
Answer first, then we can think about
2
debate.
minutes each.
No.
Debate.
Answer first, which will filter
does not need
a
debate.
person who is
Capture
sincere, knowledgeable or not.
of his feet.
You
How do
You have to
Muslims
pass the
run away?
entrance exam to
Now,
debate
it's
it.
Okay.
how Christians have
2
become intellectual
minutes
bankrupt.
each. Debate.
So,
You
what is
can't
one
count
God
3
plus
and you
one
want
God plus
2.
one God? If we can
You
answer
can't count 3 and you want 2.
What is true God?
You can't count 1 plus 1
Islamic
plus 1 and you
Mickey
want
Mouse, Allah, or the biblical God? Look at him. Look at him. Running away again. Running away again. The minions.
Mansoor, he's got the answer.
The half-baked minions
You answer his
are
question.
the ones
He's got the
protecting him.
answer.
You answer his question, he'll stay.
Answer him his question.
His question and he'll stay.
Don't be angry. Don't be angry.
Who's angry?
Who's angry? Don't be angry. Thank you.
Who's angry?
Some people have shame issues. They have no shame.
Answer his question,
They
he'll
cannot
stay.
answer simple question, and yet they think they can debate Brother Mansoor. They do not know basic simple
Now
math.
you know
They want to debate Brother Mansoor.
Mansoor
People
hasn't
need
got
to
a
have
clue.
some shame.
Mansoor, no. Mansoor.
Look at him.
What is
Mansoor hasn't got a clue. Check him out. Who's that?
Again.
What is one God?
Again.
What is one God?
Mission run away. Okay, wait. Mansoor. Right. Hollywood's next. Did you hear answer?
No.
We can teach you mathematics. We can teach you.
Good candidate. How to run away?
Arul, he's
When having no clue.
Whether we know that we like to go.
3 minutes each. Debate. What is an accurate concept of God of the Bible or the Islamic Mickey Mouse?
What is the answer? What's
Are
the
you
answer?
willing to debate me?
What's the answer?
Mansoor, are you willing to debate?
There's no answer.
How can you
I am here. I
debate
am
an
here.
individual who's
I am
not
here.
answering this question?
I am here. Would you like to debate?
No, you are here. If you were here,
I am here.
you would have
Don't
answered
be
the
afraid.
question.
Excuse me. Don't be
If he
afraid.
was here, he would have